Whenever we think of Rajasthani food, we feel like it's just dal bati and churma, and of course, that's what's famous and we all love it. But there's another dish that's really amazing, and especially in winter, it tastes absolutely delicious. It's called Rajasthani Khoba Roti and a tasty, spicy garlic chutney. So to make Khoba Roti, here I have taken 1 cup of regular wheat flour, the same one we use to make chapati. First of all, we add a little salt to the flour, and now we'll add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, which I have coarsely crushed, and half a teaspoon of carom seeds. Some people avoid adding these, but I really like them. And now let's add the shortening. Generally, ghee is used as shortening in Khoba Roti, but if you want, you can use oil too. We'll take 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now let's mix everything together. We'll add water little by little, not all at once, because the dough for Khoba Roti is as stiff as paratha dough. We won't make it too soft. It's been half an hour, so now let's start making the roti. Now from this dough, let's cut out a portion for making a ball. Now, the dough ball for Khoba Roti is quite big because this roti is a bit thick. That's why in some places it's also called jari roti. So, like this, I will cut out a big dough ball. And now we'll dust the dough with a little dry flour and roll it out. Now, when you roll out the dough, you need to keep it a little thick. Just like the thickness of an aloo paratha, that's the thickness you want. And now we'll cook this roti. I've taken a griddle here and kept it on medium heat. We'll cook this roti only over medium heat. If you use high heat, it will stay uncooked. Now we just need to cook this roti lightly on both sides. Now look at this. We'll flip it to the other side as well. Once it's cooked like this, we'll flip the roti and make a cut in it like this with the help of a knife. The cut we're making is called khoba because this roti is quite thick, and making these cuts helps it cook all the way through. And now we'll turn the heat down to very low. And now we'll keep making designs on the roti like this. You can also do this with tongs if you want. These designs on the Khoba Roti are not just for decoration, but they're also what make Khoba Roti unique. By doing this, when we cook it from the other side, the roti will cook really well. Once you've pinched the roti like this, turn the heat back to medium and cook the roti from the other side as well. Let's check the roti once. You'll see that on the other side, there are small black spots appearing. That means the roti is partially cooked, and now we'll cook it directly over the flame. See, the Khoba Roti is nicely cooked from both sides. And right away, I'll apply a little ghee on this Khoba Roti. This is totally optional. You can avoid it if you want. And to cook this Khoba Roti, you need to have a little patience because it is cooked over medium to low heat. So it takes almost 10 minutes. So here you go, the delicious Khoba Roti is ready. So now let's make tangy and spicy garlic chutney, for which I have taken 15 to 20 cloves of garlic here, and we will crush them. And along with the garlic, I am adding 2 to 3 soaked chilies. This is totally optional. You can avoid it if you want. We will crush the garlic and chilies coarsely like this. And now, into this chopped garlic, we will add about 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. If you like it spicy, you can also use regular chili powder. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And finally, let's add salt. And now I'm adding about 1/4 cup of water to it. Let's mix everything together and now cook it. Take about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a little bit of Asafoetida, and now add this crushed garlic paste. And now we need to cook this over medium heat for just 5 to 10 minutes. All right, the garlic chutney is ready. You will see that the garlic chutney has released oil from the sides, and all the water we added has also evaporated. If you look at the chutney, it has also turned a bit dark in color. That means it is absolutely ready. Now finally, we'll turn off the heat for this chutney and add lemon juice. If you want to keep this chutney for a long time or take it with you on a trip, then instead of lemon juice, use dried mango powder. That way, the chutney will stay good for a longer time. All right, let's quickly serve this delicious Rajasthani Khoba Roti and garlic chutney. So here it is, the delicious Rajasthani Khoba Roti along with spicy garlic chutney, all ready to serve. And today, I have served it with split green moong dal, and I will share its recipe with you very soon as well. This combination tastes so good, you know. There are just no words, it's that good.